Tine maswati siyanemukela nonke. Tine maswati ngenfokozo neluthango.
Umnyaka wanga 1997 ngumnyaka lwabona kusungulwa kwenzawo leyadunga ukuthi Nkonyeni Golf Estate lokuyindzawo mbukeli etfolakala lapha eSivokotho. Nkonyeni Golf Estate ke mbukeli yindzawo lokhanza ukuthi abantu labasuka etindzaweni letahlukahlukene emaveni lahlukahlukene beta lapha batodlala lona libhola lemphebedo lekwadwa ukuthi yigolf. Lena ndzawo ke mbukela kusiyo nje indzawo yekudlala nje libhola lemphebedo kuphela kodwa ke kuphindze kube indzawo lapho khona abantu bavakashela khona bate ukudla njengoba phela kunendzawo yekudlela leyadwa ngekuthi yi-restaurant yindzawo mbukeli labanye labashadela kuyo njengoba phela kunetindzawo letahlukahlukene kulena ndzawo kuphindze futhi kube netindlu leticashiswa kombukeli letodwa ngekuthi pheceleti ngema-lodge noma kumbe yindzawo longalala kuyo nawude kulena ndzawo. Ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu mbukeli isihambisana nayiSwaziland Tourism Authority sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Nginobumelela kaDlamini Sibongo lona mbukeli ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu. Angisathe lethuba mbukeli kubingelela ngiphinze ngomukele ehlelweni naselangeni lanamuhla. Kanti namhlanje ngoba ubona silapha eNkonyeni Golf Estate sitawufunza kabanti ngalena ndzawo sibona ke nebantu labadlala lona libhola legaluva. Asesiboneleke mbukeli kwekuthi nasikulena ndzawo yini lesingayenda kutfolakalani lapha kanti ke nami ke mbukela sengifune abantu labangangicocicisa kabanti ngalena ndzawo. Mbukeli kulena ndzawo yindzawo lenhle sibili kunengi lokwendiwako khona kodwa kanyalo setawucala la endzaweni yekudlela leyatwa ngekuthi i-restaurant. Sofuna lijaha latwa ngekuthi ngustand ukuthi asicocela kabanti ke ngalena ndzawo ngokuthi masite lana yini lengasitfokotisa yini lechaza abantu la kanzi ke futhi kudla kwabo kudla lokunjani. Hlayana mbukeli sawufuna yena Stanley sitawucoca kabanti ngalena ndzawo. But Stanley ngicela ungichazele kafishane njengoba beka ukuthi ungubani owakuphi yini lekuletha la enkonyeni nekokuthi wendani wena kulena ndzawo.
NginguStand ligama lami nguStand ngwakambatha. Lokho ngilethe enkonyeni ngisebenza enkonyeni ngisebenza as a floor manager. Inkonyeni yavula nga-2006 kwaba liphupho la i-100 of wathina ufuna kwanda umdlalo wokudlala igaluva. Kepha kwanyalo sise la ngekhathi restaurant lapho khona badlali labadlala nogaluva bathina bacedzile bete batichaze khona batodla.
I-restaurant nje futhi Stand na ungake uchaza ungacishe ukuthi i-restaurant le kanjani nemukela abantu labanjani lakhaya yini le ndiwako lana ngaphandle ukuthi nje kumbe yindzawo yekudlela kuphela.
I-restaurant yalakhaya imukela lonke ihlobo lomuntu udlala ligaluva uyeta utoti idlela asikude lesikwentela kona sile nje nabo weta bethu lesisibafundzisile ukuthi nakungena lelo customer limemukele ngendlela yakhona lingamukeli ukuthi maybe ngumdlalo weligaluva akusumdlalo weligaluva siseva kudla losinika imenu utibukele wona uorder nala ngekhathi kule restaurant yethu sile skaterishele ngisho nemishado.
Okay. Kudla lo ungacishe uthini yakwenda kulena ndzawo kudla lokufana nani nje. Lamanye ama restaurants ukhanza ukuthi kumbe agcila kakhulu ekudleni kwesintu labanye kumbe kube kudla kwangesheya. Kwena ungacishe uthi kudla lokukanjani.
Kudla lesivama kwenda la restaurant kuba ngema grills but ithine swebhle sidule ngalo i-oxtail yethu yalakhaya. Nawe idlila awuvalo umlomo.
Okay. Lo ngacishe nje uthi kumbe kumbukeli akumsuse ekhaya etela enkonyeni ku restaurant yenu ungacishe uthi yini nje Buhle Stand.
Umbukeli losemakhaya lengamcela nje ukuthi etate ubuka lezi zinga lesisinalo la enkonyeni kudla kwethu nalabo chef sebangilabanye la seba cecesheke kakhulu kunaba bebhembe nje lese ngivele ngishi noma ngawufuna ini ngale kitchen utakuthola njengoba kunjalo. I-restaurant ya-offerisha ima-pizza. Le pizza yalakhaya laba ke bayidla basitshela ukuthi ngcono niyasedeponesa angathi kuthi kuyangani. Senembukeli sengingamtshela nje noma ngawukhashana ngakanani enkonyeni atotivela le lokudla kwethu kwala Nkonyeni. Nayo indzawo yokutijabulisa ke libhara sinalo lelinato tonke tinhlobo namneto ukuthi longathi ngathi ubuke ukuthi tiboyapi. Nanyalo nje lambi kwami ngibekele esinye sinatho lesimnandi lesiphuma khona lapha ebhareni. Kuleti tinatho kukhona letinye lekutetona letinye tindzawo kunema wine arm lanza from South Africa Embedges Louis Osnizin longena atosungula ikhozi yesibili enkonyeni. Lena-ke ngilenye yaleti ndlu lapho khona sifaka khona lamagesi nakazivakashela todlala ligaluva. Le ndlu le ilela khona nangabe leyo mdlalo wegaluva utenama kwakakhe neliswane lelincane. Ngoba nemibhedzane khona lomncane lokhomba kona ukuthi nabo bantwana labancane siyabanakekela kule hotel. Kunakhathi kulo kunema-toilet, kunemashawa, amanzi ashisa kona uyawathola khona lana kulona indlu. Awudingi usalo uphuma nje uyogeza ngaphandle. Nabe kukhona ne-swimming pool eduze nayo. Ngidawuphuma kuyo lena ndlu lena ngiyokhomba. Le ntinye taleti ndlu bitwa ukuthi ngemashale. Lapha ngiphuma khona kusemalojini. Lena-ke ngilenye yaleti ndlu lena ibitwa ukuthi ngemashale, riverside chalets nayo-ke inemibhede nemikhulu. Ifaka ikhathi, i-bathroom, ne-toilet. Kule ndlu lena kukhona konke, kukhona ekhona kune-TV nako kwabomaka kokuthinditha tindlu nasebabhukushile. Kude tonke leti ndlu tiyala Nkonyeni tinawo kisha onke nema-bar fridge okwentela ukuthi nanzi takho lotiphethe hlala tibanza. Lena solo ngiyo yalenye tindlu lepha khona silalisa khona labo badlali beligaluva. Lena ndlu lena ina 4 wema-bedroom uthi ihlala abantu labang-8 family. Inelikhishi layo, ine-swimming pool, inako konke.
My name is Bembe. I started playing golf, I think it's about 4 years now, going to 5. I enjoy the sport. I think I inherited it from my father. He played golf when he was still alive and used to take me to the golf courses. But now it's more about networking, it's more about business, it's more about relaxation. As you can see, we're here at Nkonyeni now. This place is more calm. First thing I like about Nkonyeni is that when you play around here, all you see is wildlife. You know, it's a once in a while where you play golf course and you can see kudus and impalas around here, even crocodiles. If you have noticed, you've got signs here that says beware of crocodiles. That amazes me. While I play, I know I can see wildlife and all that. I like this place also. It's quite quiet. It's in the forest and it's a beautiful place. You can also see good architecture around. They've got plots here, very beautiful houses that are built here. You know, it's a very nice place that Nkonyeni have, and I can't wait to actually see how the new golf course is going to look like. They've started constructing the 9-hole now, and hopefully after a year time we'll be able to play in the new 9-hole here down in Nkonyeni.
Now invite other golfers here.
Yes, most definitely I'd like to invite, you know, any golfer, you know, whether you're already an established golfer or you are learning to play. Nkonyeni also has a range. You can come learn. There's a pro here, Robert, who can teach you how to play golf. Even the visitors who come to Swaziland, I invite them to come check out Nkonyeni. It's a beautiful place. You'll enjoy your golf here. The golf course is well managed thanks to the greenkeeper here.
Nkonyeni Golf Estate in Buhle is not just a place where people play golf or have food. Good restaurant here, but kodwa kunenzawo le yato ukuthi beauty parlor yakhona la where they do massages and take care of people. So asesibone ukuthi beauty parlor yabo yendaniyo.
Welcome to Nkonyeni Spa. How can I support you today?
Oh, thank you very, very much, sis. Well, you can just start by telling me what you guys have to offer.
Okay. We've got massage, pedis, and waxing, facials. So here is our price list.
Okay. All right. Now, after one's long day, Lagulenza, what would you suggest?
I will suggest a Swedish massage.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you, Swedish massage is looking at aromatherapy massage.
Okay. Umehluko ukuthi i-aroma ine oils lahlukile. Yes, it's up to you ukuthi ufuna kusebenzisa lemongrass or lavender. Then the pressure yakhona ayibi deep, iba light. Then Swedish, it's up to you ukuthi i-pressure yakhona ufuna kuba deep or ufuna ibe medium. That's the difference.
Okay. Now, bantu labaye betelana kumbe langa lonke ukhanze sibadlala igolf into enjani bona? What would you suggest for them?
For them, sibenda le golf sport massage. Cause siyaba lula, siyaba lula. Kuba like a sport massage. Cause basuke bahambe distance lenze sebatsiniwe.
Okay. Ngibona nakumshini lo lamba kwakho sesingafuna nje ukusitshela kafishana ukuthi wona wani ngoba it looks strange.
Oh, lo mshini lona is sunbed 10.
Okay.
Yes. Mawutiva ngathi so light kakhulu, instead ukuthi uhambe elangeni ushise ilanga udala kulo mbhede.
Okay. And how long does that usually last?
It lasted 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Siyabonga sisene. Thank you. But Robert, sicositshela kafishane njengawe ukuthi ngibani usuka kuphi yini lekuletha la bese uyasitshela ngalenza lokuyo ukuthi iyini yendaba.
Igama lami Robert wakashiba. Ngisebenzela la khaya ngibuke kakhulu the golf. Ngifikela na 2010. Yeah.
Okay. Isisa story esithengisa tinvo umuntu lomunye nje ubona sikhoma segaluva ubona ema jacket kuthengiswani kule store.
Nje kuthengisa konke loku involve i-golf ezibona nje kunama golf t-shirts, caps, accessories, golf balls, you know, yeah.
Okay. Now assuming ukuthi umuntu lo sebenza ngato le tinvo leti sho ukuthi nalomdlalo wegaluva uyawadi ungasichazela nje kafishane ngaleli bala leninalo labo badlalela khona egaluva ukuthi yona ngilehluke ngani kuletinye indzawo lesinato lapha eveni la Kangwane.
Njengoba I think khona le golf course earlier on idibonele i-layout yayo cishe singasho ukuthi ihlukile. There's so much bushes around, wildlife, netilwane la golf course ezudlalo yadibona. So I think ngiko lokho into angazi ukuthi ihlukile naleti indzawo and it's more quiet out here. Tinyoni nje kuphela lo tiva uma udlala kuthi umsindo nani. So yeah.
Okay. Asasikhulume nge-outfit yamvu lodlala igolf. Ihluke ngani kulodlala i-tennis? Leni letimpahla kumele tihluke. Labanye bafaka tikhindi, labanye bagcoka amabhuluko lamathe. Do I just come into the golf field wearing anything? Noma.
Okay, you can wear shorts, long pants, but akumele kube my jeans. Then again, you can wear any shirt in a collar, not a round neck. I think that's where the difference comes in. Then again, you can't just play with any shoes. Nakala kube ma tegi or letakhole yonikalo.
Okay. Bulukhuni lobonile wena ngemidlalo wegaluva njengemvuna welo idlalako. Ungacishe uthi yini?
Bulukhuni loba khona, especially mosaqala kuba ukuthi kumele wakhe isikhathi se-golf if usayifunza nje usaqala. Because it takes a lot of time. Because awumane nje ukuthi usafika uvele ubambe konke. So I think ufuna ube committed and wakhe isikhathi ezusafunza.
Okay. Umledo lo ngawudlulisa nje bhodi kubantu kumbe labafise ukudlala igaluva la ngaphandle ungacishe uthi?
Singathi siyawameme amaswati nabo bonke bangaphandle ukuthi bazivashele Nkonyeni but experience Nkonyeni siyafisa ukuthi cishe bonke abantu batoti vela nabo ngazuka wabo ukuthi Nkonyeni iphathana kanjani and the experience ye golf course kanjani compared to other golf courses.
Okay. Siyabonga. Dudley, please tell me just briefly about you.
Okay, I'm Dudley Venner. I'm managing here at Nkonyeni now. I've been in tourism probably 20 years. I'm giving my age away, managing lodges and guest houses all over Africa. I've joined the team at Nkonyeni to try and help them with their vision of making Nkonyeni one of the best golfing destinations in the world and in Swaziland. I think their vision is a fantastic one. It started as originally the ground over here started as a small game reserve. We started by the Rudolph family, who have been living in Swaziland. They're about third generation Swazi now. Johan Rudolph, he decided one day that he would try and build a golf course on Nkonyeni. He got various people involved, and it has grown from there to be a fantastic 18-hole championship golf course. They had a small club for the residents, and that has grown now to the main Nkonyeni club. Over the years, a small game reserve was added, some more accommodation was added, so that now, today, we are quite a large accommodation and conferencing venue. Our focus is still on the golf, which is evident in our new developments. We are building our second golf course on Nkonyeni now. It's very exciting because it's being done in collaboration with Louis Oosthuizen, the professional golfer, and Peter Makovich, who is one of the best golf course designers in the world. Louis Oosthuizen has put his signature on a golf course in Mauritius as well. So there's a little bit of a race going on to see who will have the first Louis Oosthuizen signature golf course in the world. We will definitely have the first one in Africa, but it would be nice to say that the first Louis Oosthuizen signature course is in Swaziland. So as you can see, the development is ongoing. We have a target now and we're working towards it. And the end result will be 2 championship golf courses with extra restaurants in this area and a fantastic spot to come spend the day with your friends and family, come for conferencing, come for team building exercises, or just a nice place to relax and play a round of golf.
Okay. Your experience with Nkonyeni, like having been around the world now into tourism, what would you say makes Nkonyeni different?
I think it's a combination of the beautiful scenery that we have here, and I've worked in a couple of other places in Swaziland, and that warmth and that hospitality of the Swazi people comes through in Nkonyeni as well. That warmth and hospitality not only welcomes the international guests, but the local Swazis as well. It's a place where we make everybody welcome. It's a place where we do a lot of weddings and things like that as well. But we're trying to make it that we don't, because a lot of the perception about golf is always golf is for the rich people, it's for the high income groups. Nkonyeni is not like that. Even our wedding packages, we cater we tailor make it to suit the budgets of the people. So if they can't afford much, we still give them a great wedding. But we do it within their budgets. So Nkonyeni is the kind of place that anybody can come from just about all walks of life and have a truly welcoming and warm experience. Okay.
Now, you said we're developing phase 2 of the golf course. Now, how's this one going to be different from the old golf course?
Actually, a correction, this is phase 3.
Okay.
Phase 1 and 2 were on the original golf courses.
Okay.
Phase 3, well, first of all, it's going to be a totally different type of golf course. If you look at golf courses around the world, you get bushveld golf courses, you get coastal golf courses. This one, as you can see, where the layout of the golf course is, there's not many trees. If you think of the other course, there's trees all over the course, so that's a typical bushveld course. This is going to be more a link style course. An example is St. Andrews, which is one of the most famous courses. There's not really trees and things, but a lot of rolling fairways, a lot of bunkers and things like that. So you're going to have two totally different golf courses on the same venue, which is going to make it quite unique as well.
Okay. Your future plans, just besides the golf course,
Okay.
what does it come with?
With the golf course, we're building more chalets on the by the old section.
Okay.
We're looking at increasing the amount of rooms we have over here. So we're building more chalets. We're building, hopefully to start next year, a second 12-bedroom lodge. On the new estate, we're looking at setting aside 2 areas where we're going to have different restaurants, so that we will have 3 different restaurants on Nkonyeni, all with different types of cuisine, so that there's a greater variety, so that you can come for 3 days and 3 days eat in 3 different places, different cuisines and things like that. We're doing a lot of development on the conferencing side of it. We're looking at setting out larger facilities for conferences. The new accommodation also goes towards the conferences, so that there's enough beds that we can host the larger conferences, do a lot of marketing within Swaziland and within Southern Africa, so that we can get international companies to come do conferencing at Swaziland, and thus bring more feet through the border, which benefits us obviously, but benefits Swaziland as a whole.
Okay. Now, what would you say to those people that have never been here? Why would you want people to come here to experience Nkonyeni?
Okay. If you've never been here before, Nkonyeni, well, it offers obviously the golf courses. It offers 2 different types of golf courses. It offers a variety of cuisines. Our bird life here is phenomenal. There's some really rare species for the birders. We've got the small game reserve as well for the animal enthusiasts. We're a safe, family-friendly environment, so a good place to bring your kids as well. So we're a one-stop shop. You can do conferencing, you can come for a family holiday, you can bring your kids to play putt-putt. We've got the swimming pools on Nkonyeni, so it's just, instead of traveling to a whole lot of different places for different reasons, you can come to Nkonyeni and have all of those experiences in one spot.
All right. Mbukeli nawe uyatibonela ukuthi Nkonyeni Golf Estate akusiyo nje indzawo yalabadlala lona libhola lemphebedo kuphela. Njengoba yindzawo yekungcebeleka nawe ungeta nemndeni wakho lana nita ukudla kuyo i-restaurant yaba kugcini lapho kunetindzawo tekulala kulena ndzawo la ungatichaza khona unemndeni wakho. Kuphinza futhi kube netindzawo letingachaza bona bantwana. Akugcini lapho nje kuphela njengoba phela iNkonyeni mbukeli kuphinze kube indzawo lapho nawe ungashadela khona ubambele khona imicimbi kuphinze kube nema team building exercises adotingapani. Siyathemba mbukeli ukuthi nangabe awuzange sowufike kulena ndzawo lena lithuba lakho lekuthi nawe usukume utawutibonela buhle bakule ndzawo. I-Swaziland Tourism Authority ibambisene nabo Buhle Betfu mbukeli ikhuthata kwekuthi wati live lakho kabandi kungako sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Angiphinze ngikukhuthata ke mbukeli kwekuthi usibhalele kulo likhasi lethu ku-Facebook lelithi Buhle Betfu. Ungaphinze futhi uthole nalo lithuba lekuthi utawuvakasha nathi etindzaweni lesitihambako kanye la ehleleni lelithi Buhle Betfu. Mbukeli sesifike khona emaphethelweni alolihlelo umlingani wami uyaye athi sesehla ngelibonza njengeliphela. Awu sekunjalo ke mbukeli angufisele kona kubukela lokuhle nethokotela lokuhle etinhlelweni letilandzelako nisaleni kahle.